Check this out. I know it sucks being in pain, fearing movement, disheartened to do the things that you used to do. Well, I want to help you out. I want to be a part of your team to help you feel and get better. I'm Dr. Jaime, sports chiropractor and certified athletic trainer. I think of myself more as a sports detective because I like to gather clues from athletes and patients to figure out why they're having pain and why they're not moving well. Then figure out solutions to make the problems go away and to teach them methods on how to prevent them from ever resurfacing. There's quite a few strategies I like to use to help address joint health, such as adjustments and mobilizations, soft tissue hygiene like active release technique, instrument-assisted tools, cupping, and mobility, strength, and stability resilience by adding skills and drills to help improve the quality and the efficiency of movement. I've helped 5-year-old hockey kids to 75-year-old marathon runners, 18-month-old babies to 88-year-old grandmothers, people new to working out to high-caliber elite and professional athletes. If you or someone you know would like to team up, please grab a card, check out the website or links, and let's start getting your life back. I appreciate your time.